What is up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. This week has been really straightforward week for me. Honestly, I'm green on the week. I did have some losers, but that's natural. I did pass the evaluation, so feels good about that. And a little quick tip here is, if you're getting close to passing the evaluation and you're right at, like, let's say if you pass it, let's say $1,510, right? Make sure you have enough cushion to get that over the edge, right? What I mean by that is my numbers, like here in this area, the cash value is different at the end of the session or after the session's over. So I don't know if the Ninja Trader and Bulenox has different commissions, but the number is always different. It's always lower. So today I had to actually trade and basically get my target profit a little bit over, so that way I have enough, and just in case the number changes. And usually the number does change every day. So like I said, maybe the commission is different from here to Bulenox. I don't know, because I do have lifetime here enabled, so it should count as commissions, and it does, as you can clearly see, but it's different. So I don't know. And yeah, the other evaluation is looking pretty good as well. I'm about 120 away from passing. Again, I still have a whole month from passing this evaluation, so I'm not in a rush, because again, if I pass it this one today, that's $300 basically I have to pay for my funded fees, right? And I don't want to do that. So these are my trades, and I did make a mistake here on this loser, and I'll talk about it in a second. But pretty straightforward trades. You have a second entry long here, got about 0.75, almost 2 points. This loss was about 2.25 quarter. It was actually 3.25, so it is a big risk for me usually, but quarter is not gonna make it or break it. But 3.25 is kind of a lot. But either way, and so the reason I took this trade as well is because after this trade I only needed $30 to pass the evaluation. And of course, when you're getting close, you get the little devil in your ear telling you, hey, just take a trade. But I mean, I did like this setup, but I'll talk about the footprint and what I was looking at there, because there's some things I didn't like about it, and I should pay attention more to it. The third trade was basically, again, lower high. You already have 2 legs up already. Lower high, decent risk, 2 points here. And then this trade right here, which actually did pass me the evaluation. Again, same concept, lower high, you have a break new high already in place. Basically a double top here. Why not? And 2 points here. And this trade, I was, again, like I said, I was over the target profit, but I was only $7 over the target profit. And I thought to myself, you know what? That's probably not going to be enough. Because like I said before, just in case if something happens with commissions or whatever, I can just have a little bit of a buffer to just in case the number just changes, you know what I mean? So I got 2 ticks out of this trade. It's basically a failure. Again, even if I did held this longer, I'd have been okay, because it's just, my stop losses was 1 tick above the signal bar, so I'd have been fine. And the price went down. You do have this kind of range, and basically I call it a day. And let me just show you what I was looking at, that loser on the footprint chart. So let me move my face out of the way. Right here. Sure. And yeah, so this was my loser right here. I was trading, like I said, lower high, and so I did get a finished auction and did get a bearish imbalance. There's a bullish imbalance, which is kind of should have been a clue saying, hey, maybe you shouldn't take this trade. But the main thing was the min delta and max delta. They're pretty much the same. And what I like to see usually is a delta like this, right? You have no min delta and you have huge max delta. That's what I want to see, right? And this was just not here, and that should have been another clue that, hey, like, you shouldn't take this trade. So something I have to keep an eye on. But yeah, that was the loser. And this was a pretty straightforward trade, again, a second entry long. But again, you have this nice little finished auction. You don't have a bullish imbalance, which kind of sucks, but you can clearly see there's no sellers coming in. And again, the difference between min and delta, max delta is pretty significant. Lots of volume. Boom, go long, pretty straightforward trades. Same thing here. You have a finished auction, you have a bullish imbalance, or a bearish imbalance. There's no bars here. Look at the difference between mixed delta and man delta. I mean, this is what I like to see. You do have a delta flip as well, which is perfect. The only thing that's missing here is volume, which 1500 is pretty low for volume. You want to see like around 3000, 2000. That's what you want to see. But hey, everything aligned perfectly. Took the trade, boom, got my 2 points, and that was out. Could have got more, but it is what it is. And yeah, that's how I use footprint. Really, that's how I do footprint. Same thing here. Again, lower high. Again, you have a finished auction. You have bearish imbalance, delta flip. You have no max delta whatsoever. You have min delta is 304, negative 304. Take the trade. So took the trade, got my target, and I was out. The unfortunate thing about this is that my trial is expiring this week, and I already asked for an extension. So technically, this is my second week using this bars, so I can't ask for more extended trial. But yeah, it's gonna expire this week, and I'm kind of a little sad. I'm a little disappointed because I really like the setup. I really like these bars. I really like all the information that it's giving me, and the way it's visualized. Like visually, it's really clean, really straightforward. And again, it's just expensive. It's expensive. It's around $400 some, 460 or something like that, or 450. I can't remember. And or 420, but it's expensive. So I don't have the funds to buy this just yet. Hopefully, if you guys keep using my code, I definitely can do it at the end of the month. Get this. So please use my code. Please do so. Pick up some evals, and I really appreciate it. Really, honestly. But yeah, I mean, I just really like these bars and this setup and the way it's customized, the way I have it, and it really helps me a lot in my trading. Now, there's other options for the footprint. One is of course, the Quant Tower. Now, Quant Tower doesn't have rank. Well, it does have Renko, but you have to pay for it. It's $25 a month for Renko, and the Renko bars don't match how I have it on a NinjaTrader, so that's a negative. And also, the way that's this setup is, it's similar to what I have on here, but the problem is you can't have ask and bid on the left side, right? And you can't have imbalances. So for me, I need to see that. That's a key point in my trading, is those imbalances, right? Those finished and unfinished auctions. Now you can have it to its imbalances, but you won't have the delta, right, on your right side. You just have imbalances. So it's one of those things. Kind of could be an option, maybe not. But and of course, NinjaTrader does have their own volumetric bars, and again, you cannot trade Renko bars. You can only trade minutes, tick charts, and ranges, I believe. So that's also a kind of a bummer. But with NinjaTrader volumetric bars, the customization is very minimal. I mean, they're very basic. They're very basic footprint chart, and it's just not what I need. So I guess I just have to wait until I get some money and purchase it. So, but it is what it is. Anyways, I'm done for the day, done for the week. Like I said, I passed the eval, and I'm gonna continue trading the other evaluation next week, and hopefully I can pass it next week as well. So the plan is, once I pass this eval, I'm gonna start trading the funded accounts again. As you guys know, I lost the funded account a couple weeks ago, and that kind of sent me in a kind of weird emotion. So losing PA kind of sucks, it's I mean, I've lost PAs before, but it's just, it's one of those things, right? Well, like I said, once I finish the eval, the second one, I'll start trading the PA again, because, well, I need to make some money. Plain simple, right? So anyways, I'm done for the day. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy your weekend, and I got you guys on Monday. Peace.